And go.
All right, guys, here's the speaker. It may not seem very loud, but it is very loud. I'm gonna have Lisa also hit a cymbal here, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna play some music and sing through it. So here we go.
It's Nose of the Grindstone.
As you can see, there's no feedback either. This is the active mic.
Daddy worked like a mule mining Pike County coal. Just fucked up his back, couldn't work anymore. He said one of these days you'll get out of these hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. See the ways of this world just bring you to tears. Keep the Lord in your heart, you'll have nothing to fear. Live the best that you can, and don't lie and don't steal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Well, Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world, I can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, it brings me chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the pills.
I'll Lisa hit the cymbal here so you can hear it. And that's the drums, that's as loud as it is. This is like, it's not deafening, but it is ungodly fucking loud. It is plenty for us.
Keep in mind that a man's just as good as his word. It takes twice as long to build bridges you burn. And there's hurt you can cause, time alone will not heal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. But Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world, I can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the pills. Keep your nose on the grindstone.
And that is a relatively quiet song, like hard rock, stuff like that. It rocks this place. Hope you guys enjoy this. This is going to be fun. Later.